Good morning, students. Last topic we have studied is total probability and Bayes theorem. Our next topic is random variable and its probability distribution. Okay. સમજવા માટે we take one example. And let your experiment is tossed a coin twice. આપણે કેવો રેન્ડમ એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ કરીએ કે કોઈનને આપણે 2 ટાઈમ્સ ટોસ કરીએ છીએ. So your sample space is HH, HT, TH and TT. આટલું બધાને આવડે છે બરાબર કે that is your random experiment and that is your sample space. Now what is random variable? Symbol for random variable is X. Let's take example as number of heads or it is a number of tails in a random variable કહેવાય. ઓકે કે કોઈ આપણે વેરીએબલ સેની નંબર્સ નોટ કરવાના છે તો કે હેડ ના નંબર નોટ કરવાના છે. So in this experiment if you see there are three possible random variables x1, let it is say x1, x2 and x3. Okay, 0 time head appears, 1 time head appears and 2 time head appears. So that are the values of your random variable. That are the values of your random variable. Your random variable is number of heads. In the same way, you can say also that another random variable for this experiment is number of tails. Number of tails then also you have three cases: 0 tail, 1 tail, and 2 tails. So it is called random variable. So that is your random variable. Clear with random variable? Now what is probability distribution? So probability distribution is you have to find the probability of each and every random variable. તમારે 0 head ની probability find કરવાની, 1 head ની probability find કરવાની અને 2 heads ની probability find કરવાની. એ બધી probability ના table form માં આપણે લખીએ, that is your probability distribution. Okay, here random variable x is number of heads. Okay, 0 time head, 1 time head or 2 time heads. Here it is probability of your random variable. Here we will write how many elements is present. So 0 head, only one element, that is TT. MIK head nothing, so probability is 1 by 4. Total elements total elements present in sample space is 4. And variable outcome is only 1, so probability is 1 by 4. One head, you have two variables, you have two elements, HT or TH, so probability is 2 by 4. Two heads means HH, so probability is 1 by 4. So that is called probability distribution. That is called probability distribution. In probability distribution, probability of each and every random variable is always greater than or equal to 0. And it is always less than or equal to 1. Means we can write. Okay, and summation of probability variables is always 1. બધાનો સમ કેટલો થશે 1. See, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 by 4 is 1. So probability distribution ની property કે બધી probability less than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to 0 હોવી જોઈએ. And summation of all the probabilities will be 1. That is the property of your probability distribution. અમુક question એવા છે કે તમને ટેબલ આપ્યું હશે, you have to find either it is a probability distribution or not. The probability distribution છે કે નહીં ચેક કરવા માટે ત્રણ કન્ડિશન ચેક કરવાની. Each and every probability must be greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1, and summation of all the properties will be equal to 1. Then it is called probability distribution. Clear? Very easy concept. बहुत easy છે. અત્યાર સુધી તમને એ રીતના ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું કહેતા કે what is the probability of two head appears. અહીં actually શું છે કે આપણને એક રેન્ડમ વેરિયેબલ આપી દીધો છે કે નંબર ઓફ હેડ. તો નંબર ઓફ હેડ કેટલા કેટલા ટાઈપે પોસિબલ છે તો કે એક વખત હેડ નો આવે, we get one head and we get two head. તો બધાની પ્રોબેબિલિટી લખી ટેબલ બનાવો, that is called your probability distribution. It's a very easy topic. So let's start with the first question of this topic, that is question number 66. Question number 66. Let x denote the number of hours you study during a randomly selected day. The probability that x can take a value x given as follow. P of x is equals to x. It may be 0.1 if x is equal to 0. It is kx if x is equals to 1 or 2. If it is k into 5 minus x if x is 3 or 4. Otherwise 0. Means no one study more than 4 hours. This example says. So આપણે પ્રોબેબિલિટી ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન ની પ્રોપર્ટી જોઈ કે બધી પ્રોબેબિલિટી ગ્રેટર ધેન ઓર ઇક્વલ ટુ 0 હોવી જોઈએ, લેસ ધેન ઓર ઇક્વલ ટુ 1 હોવી જોઈએ અને બધાનો સમેશન 1 થવો જોઈએ. So here if we make first table then it is 0 hours, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. બાકી તો 0 છે એ લખવાની કોઈ જરૂર નથી. 0 hours ની પ્રોબેબિલિટી 0.1, 1 hour ની kx, 2 માટે પણ સેમ પ્રોબેબિલિટી kx. Okay, x is 1, so here I can write k into 1. X is 2 means here I can write k into 2. For x is equals to 3 you have to follow this, that is k into 5 minus x, so k into 5 minus 3 and it is k into 5 minus 4. So respective probabilities are 0.1 k 2k, 5 minus 3 is again 2k, 5 minus 4 is 1, so 1 into k. So that is the respective probabilities of 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we know that summation of all the probabilities is 1. Okay, here sigma is equals to 1 to n, p of xi must be equal to 1. So 0.1 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus k is equal to 1. So 2 plus 2 3, 4, sorry 2 plus 2 4 plus 5 plus 1, 6 into k is equals to 1 minus 0.1 is 0.9. So k is equals to 0.9 upon 6. That is equals to 9 by 60. So that is 3 upon 20. That is 3 upon 20. So that is the value of k, 3 upon 20. Or you can say that is 0.15. 3 by 20 the matter, so it is 0.15. 3 by 20 means 15 by 100. So it is 0.15. So value of k is 0.15. So first question, find the value of k. Second, find the probability that you study at least 2 hours. At least 2 hours means x is greater than or equal to 2. Means you have to find p of x is equals to 2 plus x is equals to 3 plus x is equals to 4. Okay. More than 4, the probability is 0. ये तो आपने consider नहीं की. So x is equals to 2 is 2k, 3 is also 2k and 4 is also, sorry 4 is k. So that is 5 into k. Put the value of k, that is 0.15. That is equals to 0.75. At most 2 hours means you have to find p of x less than or equal to 2. At most 2 means maximum 2. So that is equal to p of x is equals to 0 plus 1 plus 2. So probability of x is equals to 0 is 0.1. X is equals to 1 is k and x is equals to 2 is 2k. So that is 0.1 plus 3k. So that is 0.1 plus 3 into k is 0.15. So that is 0.75 plus 0.1, that is 0.85. Sorry, 3 into 0.15 is 0.45 plus 0.1, 0.55. Fourth question. Exactly 2 hours. It's very easy. P of x is equals to 2 means 2k. So that is 2 into 0.15. So answer is 0.3. Okay. Next, second question. A random variable x has the following probability distribution. Find the value of k is less than 3. Again, similar type of question here. Probability distribution is given into the form of table. એ આપણે ટેબલના ફોર્મમાં નહોતું એવું કન્ડિશન્સ આપી હતી તો ફર્સ્ટ વી મેક અ ટેબલ. અહીંયા આપણને ટેબલના ફોર્મમાં જ આપ્યું છે. Question number 67. X. Possible values of x are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Corresponding way probabilities are 0, k, 2k, 2k, 3k. K, 2k, 2k, 3k. K square, 2k square and 7k square plus 1. That is the table of your probability distribution. Okay. First we need to find is the value of k. So we know that summation of all the probabilities must be what? Sigma p of xi is equal to 1. So we can write 0 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus 1 is equal to 1. So k square plus 7k square, 7k square plus k, sorry it is not 1, it is k. 7k square plus k square plus 2k square, so that is 10k square plus 2k, 2k, 2 to 4, 4, 3, 7, 8, 9k. 1 aside also, so minus 1 is equals to 0. So 10k square plus 9k minus 1 is equals to 0. 10 into minus 1 minus 10 na part ke plus 9 આવે. So we can write 10k square plus 10k minus k minus 1 is equals to 0. 10 into minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9 and 9 into minus 1 is minus 10. So it is 10k into bracket k plus 1 minus 1 into bracket k plus 1 is equals to 0. So either k is equals to, you can write 1 by 10 or k is equals to minus 1. But for k is equals to minus 1, if you find the probability of x is equals to 1, that is k, that is minus 1, which is less than 0. So k is equals to minus 1 is not possible. So value of k is 1 by 10. If you substitute 1 by 10, every probability is less than 1 and greater than 0 and summation will be 1. એ તો આપણે એના ઉપરથી જ k find કર્યો છે એટલે summation તો 1 જ થશે. 1 by 10 તમે substitute કરો, 1 by 10 that will be 2 by 10 means 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 3 by 10, 1 by 100, 2 by 100, 7 by 100 plus 1 by 10 means બધી probability less than 1 જ થશે અને greater than 0 જ રહેશે અને summation તો 1 થશે જ. એ તો આપણને એના ઉપરથી મળ્યો છે means possible value of k is 1 by 10. Means we get the value of k, that is 1 by 10, that is 0.1. Second question, you need to find is p of x is less than 3. P of x less than 3 means p of x is equals to either 0 or 1 or 2. So x is equals to 0, probability is 0, 1 ni k and 2 ni 2k. So that is equals to 3 into k. Put the value of k, that is 1 by 10. So answer is 3 by 10 means 0.3. Third question, it is p of x greater than 6. X greater than 6, x greater than or equal to 6 nothing. Means here you need to find is only p of x is equals to 7. So that is 7k square plus k. Value of k is 1 by 10. So k square is 1 by 100 and it is 1 by 10. So LCM is 100 and 7 plus 10 is 17. So answer is 17 by 100 means 0.17. And fourth question is p of x less than 3. Sorry. It's a printing mistake. It is a textbook question. It is 0 less than x less than 3. Means you need to find is p of x is equals to 1 plus p of x is equals to 2. So x is equals to 1 is k and x is equals to 2 is 2k. So that is 3k. So value is 1 by 10. So answer is again 0.3. Means second and fourth no answer same as this because p of x equal to 0 is 0. So that's in the this type of question k તમને કઈ રીતે મળશે તો બધી પ્રોબેબિલિટી નો સમ કરવાનો એને 1 સાથે ઇક્વેટ કરવાનો so you will get the k. ચલો question number 68, find the probability distribution of number of head obtained when pair of unbiased coins are tossed once હમણાં મેં એક્ઝામ્પલ માં કરાવ્યો હતો સેમ ક્વેશ્ચન છે સો ઇટ ઇઝ ઇન હોમવર્ક question number 68 next question number 69 find the probability distribution of sum of integers obtained when a pair of dice are thrown once so here your random experiment is pair of dice thrown once and you have to find probability distribution of sum of integers obtained means your random variable x is sum of integers obtained by throw a pair of dice. Okay, so here your sample space is 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 અત્યાર સુધી આપણે સેમ્પલ સ્પેસ અહીંયા આખે આખી લખતા નહીં બટ આમાં જરૂર પડશે કે સમ ઓફ ઇન્ટીજર્સ સમ ક્યાં ક્યાં થાય પોસિબલ થશે અને એના કેટલા કેટલા એલિમેન્ટ્સ છે એટલે મારે અહીંયા સેમ્પલ સ્પેસમાં બધા એલિમેન્ટ લખવા પડશે 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 and 2 6 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 and 6 6 okay હવે સમ ક્યારે 1 નહીં થાય મિનિમમ સમ હશે 2 હશે 1 plus 1 is 2 so your possible values of random variables is starting with 2 and corresponding probabilities तो सम 1 થાય એક જ એલિમેન્ટ છે 1 1 and total elements are 36 so that is 1 by 36 random variable x is sum of integers okay so probability के sum 2 થાય એની probability 1 by 36 next sum can be 3 in these two elements 1 2 and 2 1 so that probability is 2 by 36 sum 4 થશે there are again three elements 3 1 2 2 1 3 ત્રણેયમાં sum 4 થશે so probability is 3 by 36 sum will be 5 when it is 4 1 3 2 2 3 and 1 4 in all these elements sum will be 5 so probability is 4 by 36 next possibly sum is 6 5 1 4 2 3 3 2 4 and 1 5 so elements 1 2 3 4 and 5 so probability is 5 upon 36 next sum is 7 6 1 5 2 4 3 3 4 5 2 1 6 these many elements are possible okay so answer is 6 by 36 sum is 8 હવે અત્યાર સુધી જો પ્રોબેબિલિટી ઇન્ક્રીઝ થઈ 1/36 2/36 3/4/5 6/36 હવે સમ 8 થશે ત્યારે પાછી પ્રોબેબિલિટી ડિક્રીઝ થશે સમ will be 18 6 2 5 3 4 4 3 5 and 2 6 so 1 2 3 4 and 5 elements so that is 5/36 now it will be in reverse order right 9 માં 4/36 થશે 6 3 5 4 4 5 and 3 6 so there are 4 elements so answer is 4/36 similarly you can find sum is 10 probability is 3/36 sum is 11 probability is 2/36 and sum is 12 probability is 1/36 only in one element that is 6,6 so that is the probability distribution for this experiment. Next question that you can do in homework. It's an easy question, question number 70. 71. Find the probability distribution of number of ace card obtained when 2 cards are drawn from a deck of 52 cards, one by one, without replacement. It is most important part in the question. It is either with replacement or without replacement. Question number 71. Your random experiment is on 52 2 cards when 2 cards are drawn from the deck of 52 cards. One by one, without replacement. That is your random experiment. Sorry, that is your random experiment. We have to select 2 cards. And here random variable is random variable x is number of ace cards. Ace cards is equal to yes. Number of ace cards. So 2 cards ma ace cards means આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ તો એકા બરાબર how many ace cards can be possible તો કે બેમાંથી એક ace cards નો હોય or one ace card or two ace cards one by one without replacement or selection of 2 cards simultaneously બે કાર્ડ એક સાથે સિલેક્ટ કરો કે one by one card without replacement સિલેક્ટ કરો બે સેમ જ થશે ક્લિયર તો કેટલી વેલ્યુ રેન્ડમ વેરિયેબલ ની પોસિબલ છે પોસિબલ વેલ્યુઝ ઓફ x is either no ace card or one ace card or both are ace card ત્રણ જ વેલ્યુ પોસિબલ છે so first we will find p of x is equals to 0 હવે કાર્ડ્સ આપણે 2 સિલેક્ટ કરવાના છે x is equals to 0 means 0 s so both the cards are others means other than s in a deck of 52 cards there are 4 aces total and 48 other cards તો બે other card હોય એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી કેટલી થશે so that is 48c2 upon 52c2 બે કાર્ડ સાથે સિલેક્ટ કરી એ રીતના મે લખ્યું આપણે એમ કીધું છે કે you have to select one by one આપણે એ રીતે પ્રોબેબિલિટી લખી ફર્સ્ટ કાર્ડ s સિવાયનો આવે એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી તો કે 48/52 into it is a dependent event કે ઈ ઇવેન્ટ થઈ ગઈ છે તો ઈ કાર્ડ મે સાઈડમાં મૂકી દીધું actually you have to find in this way p of a into b slash a a થઈ ગયા પછી b ની પ્રોબેબિલિટી તો a કઈ થઈ ગઈ કે અધર કાર્ડ સિલેક્ટ થઈ ગયું a કાર્ડ ને મે સાઈડમાં મૂકી દીધું તો રિમેનિંગ કાર્ડ્સ આર 4s and 47 અધર તો પાછું બીજું જ કાર્ડ આવે કારણ કે બે કાર્ડ અધર ધેન s હોવા જોઈએ તો પાછું બીજું જ કાર્ડ આવે એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી it is 47/51 or you can directly write 48c2 upon 52c2 answers are same in both this case so here your answer is it is 12 13 4 3s are 17 3s are. So 47 into 4, that is 188. 17 into 13 is it is 188 by 221. Now P of x is equal to 1, means you have to select one S card and one other card. So total we have S card 4, so 4C1 into other cards are 48, એમાંથી એક કાર્ડ કેટલી રીતે સિલેક્ટ થાય 48C1 and total possibilities are 52C2. બરાબર, આ ઈઝી પડશે કારણ કે પરમ્યુટેશન કોમ્બિનેશનમાં તમે આ ટાઈપના સમ કર્યા છે. 4C1 is 4, 48C1 is 48, 52C2 is 52 by 51 upon 2 into 1. So that is 26, 13, 16 and 17. So 16 2s are 32, 7 into 3 is 221. And third case, P of x is equals to 2, means you have to select both the S cards, means 0 cards will be other type. So that is total we have 4 types of 4 S's, so that is 4C2 number of selection, and here it is 52C2. 4C2, 4 3 2 1, 52C2, 52 51 upon 2 into 1. 2 into 1, 2 into 1 cancel, 13 4s are 17 3s are, so it is 1 upon 221. ઓકે, આ પરમ્યુટેશન કોમ્બિનેશન થી કરો કે બીજી મેથડ થી કરો, મેં તમને કીધું એમ ઈ ચાલે. અહીંયા બીજી મેથડ કરવી હોય તો કઈ રીતે થાય? તો કે here you have to part this question into the two parts. The first card is S, second card is other, or first card is other, second card is S. બરાબર, તો એ સેમ આન્સર જ આવશે. નાઉ લાસ્ટ માં પ્રોબેબિલિટી ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન નું ટેબલ બનાવવાનું, ખાલી પ્રોબેબિલિટીઝ ફાઇન્ડ કરીને મૂકી નહીં દેવાની, બાકી માર્ક્સ નહીં મળે. સો પ્રોબેબિલિટી ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન is P of x, 0 ની probability 188 by 221, 1 ની probability 32 by 221 અને 2 ની probability 1 by 221. આન્સર સાચો છે કે નહીં કેમ ચેક કરવાનો તો કે બધાનો સમ 1 થવો જોઈએ. 188 plus 32 220, 220 plus 1 is 221, so 221 by 221 is 1. So our answer is right. 72 હોમવર્ક માં પ્રોબેબિલિટી ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન છે કે નહીં ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું બહુ ઈઝી છે. જેમ કે ફર્સ્ટ માં ત્રણેય પ્રોબેબિલિટી ગ્રેટર ધેન 0 લેસ ધેન 1, યસ. સમેશન ઇઝ 1, 0.4 plus 0.4 plus 0.2 1. તો પ્રોબેબિલિટી ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન છે એ રીતે ચારે ચેક કરી લેજો. ઈઝી ક્વેશ્ચન છે. સો 72 is in homework. Next lecture we will start with the question number 73. Okay, thank you.